side done?
What's that?
You have the whole left wall checked?
Yeah, I'll get the left side. Couch here. Nothing behind it. Where are you at?
That's my right knee.
Alright.
I'm sort of sitting on this couch over here.
Good?
I want the victim there. Just put the victim there.
Is that you?
Yep.
Alright, you move forward.
Hey.
I like confidence over.
Come here. Hey, can anyone hear us? Is there a victim
Yeah.
here?
Go underneath this.
Under what? What is it?
Stay alone and go underneath.
Okay, is there a wire or something?
Move forward. You're good. Alright.
Alright. I got a little hallway over here. Something.
Is that?
There's something branching out to the right.
Okay. Where are you?
Hold tight. Hold tight toes.
Alright. I got a couch over here. Come over here with some water?
Okay, we might be in a room or something.
Yeah, we're in another room.
Okay.
Where are you?
Check that left wall.
Yeah, come over here.
Okay.
We got a victim!
Okay.
Alright, behind this couch. Let's pull the couch out a little bit. Actually, let's slide it to our right. Do we have room to our right?
Okay.
Do we have room?
I'm gonna. Yeah. Okay. Is this our only victim? Do we know that? Do we have to check the rest of this area?
Let's get him out of here and worry about the rest later.
Okay.
Right.
Alright, I'm pulling the couch out.
You alright?
Yep.
Good?
Is that couch out laying up?
He used his knowledge, so sometimes been the victim.
Yeah, I think we got enough space.
He knew that
Where
opening
you
was
at?
there.
I'm way over here. I'm at the end of this couch over here.
Alright, climb
Some
over the
people
couch.
don't, though. Some people come in here and don't use the knowledge that they get from being the first victim.
Huh?
Couch is out of your way, right?
Hey, you look in
Yeah,
that sunlight, you can see why I'm
clear
wearing my
shot.
dust mask.
Okay.
I've been here for 2 hours, you know. It's
Where are we at? Over here.
Yeah.
Where's our victim? Is this our
Right
victim?
here. You got him? I got his head. You got his leg down there.
Yeah, I got his legs.
Alright, let's orient him so his head's facing outward, alright?
Okay, so maybe his head.
And then you want to grab his legs?
hold on to this one
Here,
close
you
it
pick his
up.
head.
I think you should just drag him from the head. Clear your way as we go.
Okay, let's see.
I'm coming behind you. We have orientation, right? This is the way we came from.
Move into that corner.
There we go.
Where are you?
Okay, right.
Stay low.
Alright, ready? Yeah, I'm right here. Hold on. Okay, make it.
Yeah,
Oh, let's go this way. Where's the hallway we came from?
right behind us. So, it's gonna be
Get down.
right here.
Ah. Stand up, you're gonna burn yourself.
Alright, here we go.
You ready?
Yeah, follow me.
Alright.
Alright, hold up.
What am I gonna say? Is that you?
Hold up, hold up. I'm moving stuff that's in our way.
Alright, tell me when to proceed, alright?
What?
Tell me when to proceed.
Alright.
You're good. You're good.
Proceed?
I'm not. You're good.
No, where are you?
There's nothing over here.
I'm over here.
Huh?
I'm over here.
Alright. Let's move it or what?
Here. Alright, what the hell? Where? Let's take a second here.
Okay.
Are we supposed to go just down this hall that I'm in?
We came from this direction.
From where I am.
Yes.
Doesn't really feel like it.
Okay, you want to take the victim and I'll... No?
Consider that a corner.
This is a corner.
There you go. Talk to your partner.
Thank you.
Don't you know?
I was just trying to figure out how to get out of here, dude.
And keep rolling.
I'm calling up on something.
Okay. Alright, Menkes, you're gonna come towards me. I'm called up, hold on. Okay, hang on. You got it out?
Yeah.
Okay, come towards me. Come straight towards me. There's gonna be a couch on both sides of you.
Coming straight towards you.
Yep, come towards me. Right here. Yep. Right. Come towards me. Come towards that. Alright, now stop. You're gonna shift direction to do an L towards me now, okay? Alright, so we're gonna have to work the patient around the couches. No good? You good?
Yep, I'm good.
Hold up. Next room. Figure it out real quick.
What's that?
Stay put for a second. I'm figuring out this next room. Alright, go back to the door. Alright, where you at?
What's that?
Alright, come towards me. I just opened the exit door, so. There we go.
You're good.